Looking to upgrade your bathroom with cutting-edge technology? In this video, we review the best smart toilets of 2026 that combine comfort, hygiene, and innovation. From heated seats and automatic flushing to self-cleaning features and built-in bidets, these high-tech options redefine modern living. Whether you're renovating or just love smart home gadgets, this guide will help you choose the perfect smart toilet for your needs and budget. Number 3. The EPLO Smart Toilet Bidet U8 Max is a premium, all-in-one solution designed to bring luxury, hygiene, and convenience into your bathroom. With its powerful 1000 G MAP flush score, this toilet delivers exceptional performance, clearing waste efficiently in a single, quiet flush. It's engineered to minimize clogs while maintaining a calm, noise-free experience perfect for both day and night use. One standout feature is the innovative foam shield, which reduces splashback and keeps the bowl cleaner between uses. This not only improves hygiene, but also cuts down on maintenance. The automatic lid open/close and auto flush functions create a completely hands-free experience, adding both convenience and cleanliness to everyday routines. The built-in bidet offers customizable front and rear wash modes with adjustable pressure, temperature, and spray position. Paired with the upgraded moving air dryer, users can enjoy a comfortable, paper-free experience. The heated seat and ADA-compliant comfort height make it especially suitable for seniors or those seeking extra ease of use. Additional features like a night light, deodorizer, dual LED display, and eco-friendly dual flush system enhance usability year-round. Users consistently praise its quiet yet powerful flushing and luxurious feel, comparing it to a high-end hotel experience at home. Overall, the EPLO U8 Max stands out as a top-tier smart toilet, combining advanced technology with comfort and reliability, well worth the investment for modern living. Number 2. The Horo Artistic Bidet Smart Toilet T38P is a stylish and feature-rich upgrade that blends comfort, performance, and modern technology into one elegant unit. Designed with ADA chair height, it offers easier sitting and standing, making it especially helpful for seniors or anyone seeking added comfort. The elongated heated seat, with 4 adjustable temperature levels, enhances every visit with a warm, relaxing touch. Performance-wise, this toilet truly shines. With a powerful 1000 G MAP flush score and a built-in pump system, it efficiently clears waste in a single flush. The dual flush options, 0.9 GPF and 1.32 GPF, provide excellent water efficiency without sacrificing strength. Users consistently praise its strong yet quiet flushing capability. The integrated bidet system transforms daily hygiene into a spa-like experience. It features multiple wash modes, adjustable water pressure, and instant warm water. The self-cleaning nozzle ensures maximum hygiene after every use. The automatic lid open/close adds a hands-free, luxurious feel, responding smoothly to your presence. Additional features like deodorization and intuitive controls make operation simple and convenient. Customers highlight the premium build quality, comfortable seating height, and responsive customer service. Many also note how intuitive the remote control is for adjusting settings on the go. Overall, the Horo T38P delivers a perfect balance of luxury, efficiency, and reliability, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to upgrade to a high-quality smart toilet. Number 1. The Casta Diva Smart Toilet CDU010 Max is a premium, feature-packed upgrade that blends modern design with advanced hygiene technology. Its sleek ceramic build and compact dimensions make it a perfect fit for contemporary bathrooms, while the ADA comfort height ensures ease of use for all users. One of its standout features is the smart display combined with artistic waterfall lighting, creating a relaxing, spa-like ambience with 4 soothing color modes. Beyond aesthetics, the electrolyzed water cleaning system delivers 360 degrees bowl sanitation, helping prevent buildup and maintain superior cleanliness after every use. performance is equally impressive. The 1000G mop-rated siphon flush system provides powerful, efficient waste removal, even during low water pressure or power outages. Despite its strength, the flush operates quietly at around 45 dB, making it ideal for nighttime use. The built-in bidet offers multiple cleaning modes with instant warm water, adjustable settings, and a self-cleaning nozzle for optimal hygiene. The advanced foam protection system reduces splashes and odors while keeping the bowl cleaner longer. Users also appreciate the heated seat with adaptive temperature control, which automatically adjusts for year-round comfort. Hands-free convenience is enhanced with auto open/close, motion sensors, and foot controls. While some users note the sensor is highly sensitive, it highlights the system's responsiveness. Overall, the Casta Diva CD U010 Max delivers a luxurious, high-tech bathroom experience, combining comfort, innovation, and reliability well worth the investment for modern homes. Thanks for watching our Best Smart Toilets Review 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart home and tech reviews. Let us know in the comments which smart toilet impressed you the most. Check the description for links and deals. Upgrade your bathroom the smart way. See you in the next video.